Hi everybody, welcome back to Technically Designed Home. Today I want to do a quick video overview of the new tech that I got for the holidays this year, and I want you to let me know in the comments below what you want to see reviews of. In the next couple weeks I'm going to do some new organizational videos. Great way to start off 2020 by reorganizing different areas of my apartment. I'm going to start with my pantry, then my bedroom, bathroom, and then my closet, and then we'll come back and do reviews after I've been using these products for a few weeks. So let's get into the video, and don't forget to subscribe down below for more content on interior design, smart home tech, and organization. So these products are going to be in no particular order, but the first product that I'm most excited about, and I've actually had set up for a few weeks, is my new Sonos One speakers. I got two Sonos Ones and the Sanus brand stands, and these are positioned behind my couch in my living room, and I'm using them for surround sound with my Sonos Beam as the front speaker under my television. So far I really like the quality of the speakers, and one thing that I did notice is I had to reconfigure the Google Assistant in my Sonos Beam once I had created the surround sound group. So that's something to look out for if you are installing a Sonos surround sound system in your home. Now the next thing that I got that I was really excited about is the new iPhone 11. So I ended up selecting the purple version, and you can see it right here. I have this floral case that I got from Amazon, and I'll link down below. I love the pattern on here that you can see the color purple through it. Unfortunately the edges are a little bit sharp, but as I'm using it, it's kind of wearing down a bit. The buttons work really well on this case, unlike some of the spec cases the rest of my family got. So overall, I love the iPhone 11. I'm still getting used to the swipe motion since I came from an iPhone 6s, but I will be sure to update you in the future on if I recommend the iPhone 11 or not. And very excited to see what new iPhones come out next year. Not tech related, but the next things I got are cool for my luggage. I'll be doing a lot of traveling back to see my family in the next year, and I got a couple things to enhance my luggage. The first of which is a luggage strap. I think we got this at like Marshalls or Home Goods or something like that. But you can find them at Target and other retailers as well. This is great, especially if you check your luggage. It's a quick way to identify your bag and make sure that everything stays closed as the bag is being moved through the plane. And then the other thing I got is this Bungee Cord, and I'll show you how it works here in a little clip. But basically it hooks onto the handle of your rolling bag, and you can bungee to the handle over a bag, whether that's a backpack or a purse or some other oddly shaped bag that you're carrying around, and that way it will not slip off the top of your bag and you don't have to try to juggle multiple handles. I used this on my way home for the holidays, and it worked really well since my backpack does not have a trolley strap, they call it, on the back, and this is a great way to update a bag that you already have without spending a lot of money. I think it cost me about $10 when it was on sale at Bed Bath & Beyond, and you can always find coupons. Well, as a tech channel and someone who's very interested in testing out assistant features, I got two new assistant devices for the holidays. The first of which is the Lenovo Smart Clock with the Google Assistant, and I will have a full review on this here in the next few weeks. So far I found a couple glitches, but it serves the purpose. I have it set up in my bedroom as a clock, and I could use it as an alarm as well. And I ordered security cameras, which came with the Amazon Echo Dot. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this because right now I do not use Amazon's Assistant in my apartment anywhere, but I might keep it just for the purpose of testing out services and the product itself as new products come in that work with Amazon. Speaking of security cameras, I ordered a set of two, and these are the Blink XT2 indoor-outdoor security cameras. I ordered these since I am a renter, and they are battery-operated cameras. I have one positioned at my front door and one positioned at my back door. I've been using them for about a week now, and so far I really like it. They have motion sensing features as well as easy alerts onto your phone, and you can do it directly through the app. If I had an Amazon device set up with a screen show like one of the shows, I could display the camera views on that, but for right now I just use it through the app and that works perfectly fine for me. I plan to do another full review on this soon, so I will let you know after a few weeks. And since we're switching off, I'll go back to non-tech products again. I was really excited to receive this Colourpop eyeliner kit, so I'm sure you'll be seeing some rainbow looks here in the next couple videos. Along with doing makeup, I received, and this box does not give it away, a touch-operated battery-powered light. So I have this currently in my bathroom to try to be able to see in the dark bathroom a little bit better when I'm doing my makeup. It's a daylight white, so it's kind of blue, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it, but I will let you know and I will show you what it looks like here. One more thing that I got for my smart home is a third reality switch. So this works with Google Assistant and I believe with the Amazon one as well. And it hooks onto the wall plate for your switches and allows you to control the outlet with the assistants. So I have this set up for my kitchen lights, and I have 4 different can lights that are all on one switch. So this allows me to operate them from anywhere in the house and disable them when I am away as well. So right now I have been testing this for about a month, but I will do a review if you are interested, so don't forget to leave a comment down below. And the last non-tech thing that I got is from Project Repat. I got a gift card to create a queen-size T-shirt blanket. And so I've used this brand in the past, and I have 2 from high school and other sporting events, but I decided it was time to finally make a blanket of all my college t-shirts. So a queen-size t-shirt uses 49 sides of t-shirts, so it's kind of a struggle to cut apart all those t-shirts, but got them shipped in, and I will let you know what it looks like when I receive my blanket back in the mail in the next few weeks. Alright, back to tech. The last 2 items are gifts from my brother because he watches these videos, and the first of which is a red, green, and blue rainbow light strip. So I'm looking forward to putting this on my TV stand, and I'll let you know how the sensor works. He got a basic one that does not have Google Assistant, but it does come with a controller. So the trick is going to be trying to get the sensor where I can see it around the TV stand. And last but not least, the thing I'm probably most excited for is my new keyboard. So this is the Logitech MX Keys. It is the newer version of the one I showed in my Christmas wish list video. It allows you to Bluetooth pair to up to 3 devices and also works with Android and iOS. Right now I have this hooked up to my work and my personal laptop, but I'm also going to test out hooking it up to my phones. So let me know if you want a more in-depth review of this product in a future video. And that is it. So what did you get for the holidays this year? What tech are you excited for? And what are you looking forward to in 2020? Leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you're excited for more smart home tech videos. As I said at the beginning, I'm going to be doing some organization content in January to kick off 2020 right. And so come back next week for those videos. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you again next week. Happy New Year, everyone.